I am Vânia Batista, researcher from Center of Marine Sciences, University of Algarve, and principal investigator of the Little Fish project. The main objective of the project is to increase the knowledge of peixinho, or little fish, in São Tomé and Príncipe, directly used as fishing resource. This project intends to make the peixinho case study an example for other fisheries with threatened goby fry in many tropical islands. The peixinho corresponds to a group of species caught in the mouth of the rivers during post-larval phase and includes at least 4 species endemic for the region. And there is no published information about biology, ecology, and fisheries, and they are called amphidermal species due to their interesting life cycle. That is, the adults live upstream in the river, larvae migrate with the river flow to the sea, where they stay for months to feed and grow. After that, they come back to the rivers, where they need to climb waterfalls to reach the adults' habitats. Why is peixinho so important? When they enter in the rivers, still as post-larvae or juveniles, they are caught by local communities without any control, catching as much as they can. It is called goby-fly fisheries, common in other tropical islands. They use traditional gear such as the changá, mosquito nets, and even clothes. Peixinho is very consumed by locals, being one of the most traditional dishes in São Tomé Island. The Little Fish project has a huge transformative potential by studying an important fishing resource for local communities and looking for new sustainable income alternatives for this fishery. It is also focused on local development needs from communities to academia. It included workshops and knowledge sharing. This project was designed and led by a young professional and includes different generations of humans in the research team, as well as from local communities, and with effective contributions to improve quality of life and reducing inequality of opportunities by working with universities, NGOs, and governments from different countries and communities. This project has used multidisciplinary and multinational teams. Thus, this project has contributed to the sustainable management, protection, and conservation of coastal nursery habitats by using a multidisciplinary approach, and this project values a lot the local communities, their lives, and knowledge. The knowledge exchange with community has been fundamental for the success of the Little Fish project. We are working together with local communities for the development and sustainability of local communities. Thank you very much.